Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fit and fine. After completing Asr prayer, I have come here to enjoy this natural beauty, to enjoy this area, and to practice English because I don't practice properly because I have some duties and responsibilities. By performing these duties and responsibilities, I don't get much time for practicing. Dear friends, this is a large area. This is a awesome area. Actually, this is an amazing area. Dear friends, you can see how wonderful this area is, how beautiful this area is, how awesome this area is. Dear friends, this is a fish cultivation area. Many people are cultivating fish here. Many kinds of fish are cultivated here. They bring money, not only money, but also a lot of money by cultivating fish. When we go to the market, we see the cost of fish. We see the price of fish. We cannot buy our choosing fish because of much cost. So we can say it is a great business. Fish cultivation is a great business. Dear friends, I am sick now because I am suffering from lower back pain. Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. Actually, my pain is increasing day by day. Previous day, I was feeling much pain. It is too painful to walk. So I think I should go to the hospital. So I went to the hospital. Before going to the hospital, I contacted with the owner of hospital. Before some days, the owner of that hospital performed salah behind me. Then we are introduced each other, and he said to me, you can visit in my hospital. If you feel any problem, you will go to the hospital. Actually, his name is Janab Anwar Hussain. His hospital name is Anwar Hussain Hospital and Diagnostic Center at Kunabari in Gazipur. So, after completing phone conversation, I went to his hospital. Firstly, he received me and took me in the reception. Then he took a receipt for me. Then I went to the doctor's room with him. The doctor asked me about my problem. I shared my problem. I said my problems properly. Then he wrote some tests. These are X-ray, uric acid test, and serum creatinine test. He said to me to complete this test. After going out from doctor's room, I went to the lab. Then one collected blood from me. This collection was for testing serum creatinine and uric acid. After completing this task, I went to the X-ray room. Then I laid down on X-ray bed. After completing X-ray test, I spent my time with the owner of hospital. My reports was preparing on the time.